Hi, I'm Dan Trommater, and I've been thinking a lot about certainty lately. It's so easy to fall into the trap of being certain about a thing. And confidence is important. But, well, let me just show you something. This is not magic, but it's one of the most magical things I've ever seen. It's this drawing by a researcher named Roger Shepard. It shows two tables. Table on our left is short and squat. Table on our right is long and skinny. Yeah, it's obvious. I also have this little extra piece that is the same size and shape as the left table. So it's exactly the same size and shape as that tabletop. Now, nothing sneaky or tricky here. I'll slide it over so you can see that the tabletops are actually exactly the same. I know. It's crazy. Look, exactly the same size and shape, even though the moment you looked at it, you knew you were certain that they were different. In fact, even when I take this evidence away, now the tables instantly pop back into looking very different. This is fascinating. And I think it's a lovely reminder to take a good hard look at all the things in your life, in our lives, that we are certain of, that we know for sure. And ask ourselves, am I sure? There was a humorist and orator in the 1800s named Josh Billings, and he's quoted as saying, I honestly believe it is better to know nothing than to know what ain't so. But we all do it. We all know things that just ain't so. And it only takes 5 minutes of watching the news to see lots of people who know things that simply ain't so. So that's the invitation for you. Take a good hard look at everything you know within your role at work, within your role at home, about the people around you, about the situations that you encounter. Ask yourself, what is it that I think I know about this situation? And then try to back out of that. Look for evidence, because sometimes the evidence will contradict what we know. This can be uncomfortable. Trust me, I know it can be very uncomfortable. But that is the way with change. That's how it goes with growth. Not always easy, but it's always worth it. That's it for this time. I hope you're well. Bye.